Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, your account has been disabled for violation our terms. Learn how you might be able to restore your account. So how you can fix it. So for fixing it, mostly you just need to create new Instagram account, because if you just if Instagram just block not yourself account, so you haven't any photos of you in this account, and also it's just account with some cars or nature or some photos, so you won't be able for restoring it, because you just need to take a photo with some numbers and just send it like verification to Instagram team. And also mostly after restoring your account you won't have access for liking too much or just commenting too much. So if you just make some liking or commenting too much, your account will be disabled again. So this is the way. That's why I say to you that better way, just create new account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.